Welcome to the state of AI writing in 2026. If you are a creator, marketer, or business owner in the United States, you know the landscape has shifted. We are no longer just asking if AI can write. We are asking how deeply it can integrate into our actual business workflows, and whether it can maintain the human touch that consumers now demand. We have reached a point of AI fatigue where generic content is ignored. Today we are putting the two heavyweights head to head. Jasper AI versus Copy.ai. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which platform deserves your subscription fee this year. We will look at their latest 2026 features, updated pricing structures, and which one actually produces the best results for US-based markets. Let us start with Jasper. If you go to jasper.ai today, you will see a platform that has moved far beyond a simple text box. In 2026, Jasper has repositioned itself as an end-to-end AI marketing hub. Jasper's biggest strength this year is what they call Jasper IQ. Think of this as the central nervous system for your brand. You can upload your style guides, product catalogs, and even your knowledge base files via their new connectors. This ensures that every word Jasper writes is grounded in your actual business data, not just general internet knowledge. This is crucial for US companies that need to maintain a very specific brand voice across different states and demographics. For US marketers specifically, Jasper has introduced the optimization agent. This is a massive update. Instead of just writing for Google search rankings, the optimization agent prepares your content for answer engine optimization. With more Americans using AI search tools to get direct answers, Jasper helps you structure your blogs so they show up as the primary source in those AI summaries. This keeps your brand at the forefront of the new search era. If you are following along on their website, navigate to the Features page. You will see the Canvas workspace. This is a collaborative environment where teams can work on a full marketing campaign simultaneously. It is less like a document editor and more like a digital war room for content, allowing for real-time feedback and adjustments. Now, let us flip the script and look at Copy.ai. If you visit Copy.ai, you will notice the language has changed. They are no longer calling themselves just a writing tool, they are a go-to-market AI platform. While Jasper focuses heavily on the marketing side, Copy.ai has spent 2026 winning over sales and operations teams. Their standout feature is the Workflow Builder. This is a no-code automation tool that allows you to string together complex tasks. For example, you can build a workflow that scrapes a LinkedIn profile, finds a recent news article about their company, and then writes a highly personalized outreach email, all in about 10 seconds. This is a total game changer for B2B sales teams in the US who need to personalize at scale. For the solopreneur or the small US business owner, Copy.ai remains incredibly accessible. Their info base feature works similarly to Jasper's knowledge base, allowing you to store nuggets of information about your brand. However, Copy.ai feels a bit more modular and flexible for diverse tasks. It is built for people who want to automate the repetitive parts of their business, not just the writing. If you are looking at the Copy.ai dashboard, you will notice the Workflows tab on the left sidebar. This is where the magic happens in 2026. It is essentially a version of Zapier built directly into your writing assistant, making it a powerhouse for productivity. Let us talk numbers, because in 2026, both companies have adjusted their tiers to reflect their enterprise-first focus. Jasper's pricing has streamlined to be more transparent. The Pro plan starts at $69 per month if you pay monthly, or $59 if you bill annually. This gives you one seat, 3 brand voices, and access to the new optimization agent. If you are a larger agency, you are looking at their business tier, which is custom pricing but offers unlimited brand voices and advanced security features like single sign-on. This is a big deal for US corporate compliance and data security standards. Copy.ai takes a slightly different approach with their pricing. They still offer a free tier, which is great for testing and small projects. It gives you 2,000 words per month. Their chat plan starts at $29 per month, making it the most affordable entry point for individual users. However, if you want those powerful workflows we mentioned, you will likely need to move into their growth or expansion tiers. These tiers start much higher. often around $1,000 a month for teams that need heavy automation and high output. When you are looking at these pages, make sure to visit jasper.ai/pricing and copy.ai/prices to see the most current local taxes and seat-based add-ons for the US market. So, which one produces better content? In our 2026 testing, Jasper still holds the edge for long-form, human-sounding articles. If you are writing a 2,000-word white paper or a deep dive industry report, Jasper's legacy lives on in its sophisticated document editor. It handles transitions and complex logic better than almost any other tool. It feels more like a writing partner than a machine. Copy.ai, however, wins on speed to lead and short-form versatility. If you need to generate 50 different variations of a Facebook ad or 100 product descriptions for an e-commerce store, Copy.ai is faster. Its templates are more snappy and require less manual prompting to get a usable result that is ready for the US consumer. One major differentiator this year is the SEO versus automation divide. Jasper's deep integration with tools like Surfer SEO and its own internal data agents make it the king of search. If your strategy relies on organic traffic, Jasper is the winner. Copy.ai, on the other hand, is the king of the sales stack. If your goal is to close deals via email and LinkedIn, Copy.ai's automation is hard to beat. It is about whether you want to pull people in through content or push your message out through direct outreach. Both are effective, but they require different strengths from an AI. Beyond just the writing, we have to look at the user experience. Jasper provides a very polished, intuitive interface that feels premium. It is designed for creators who spend hours inside the tool. Copy.ai feels more like a utility or a developer tool, which is perfect for those who just want to get the job done and move on to the next task. In 2026, both tools have also improved their multi-language support, which is vital for US businesses targeting the diverse Spanish-speaking populations across the country. Here is the bottom line for 2026. Choose Jasper AI if you are a marketing team or a content creator where quality and brand voice are your top priorities. If you need your AI to know your brand as well as you do, and you want to dominate search engine results, Jasper is worth the higher price point. It is a professional tool for professional marketers who need perfection. Choose Copy.ai if you are a sales-heavy organization or a solopreneur who needs to automate more than just writing. If you want a tool that can act as a virtual assistant, finding leads, enriching data, and then drafting the copy, Copy.ai is the superior choice. If you like this video, check out these video recommendations below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.